Hello, Sharad Gupta here from Gupta Realty Group. I just put the finishing touches on this month's Homeward Bound real estate news, and you can read all about it below. In this month's issue, we discuss love as a verb, and thanks Saint Valentine for drawing attention to this important issue. We also offer you and those you know an exclusive guarantee along with much more in this month's Homeward Bound real estate news. And while I have your attention, we are still on a mission to raise $50,000 for Bay Area older adults. We do this by donating to them a portion of our income from homes we sell. With Bay Area older adult support, socially isolated older adults who suffer from one or more chronic conditions or are visually impaired or bereaved explore nature on our local trails, learn about other cultures, and connect to others with shared experiences. It is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that depends on sponsorships and donations to deliver their world-class assistance to our neighbors in need. So your referrals really do help the Bay Area older adults. Now, who do you know considering buying or selling a home you could refer to my real estate sales team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, you can be rest assured we are also donating to a very worthy cause. We want to make it easy to refer your friends, neighbors, associates, or family members considering making a move. So here are your options. Number one, you can go to www.referralshelpelders.com and enter their contact info online or forward the link to who you know considering a move. Number two, of course, you can always call us direct as well at 408-763-8131. Over the last 2 decades of helping thousands of families sell their home and or buy another, we have met some wonderful, loving, caring people like you. So your referrals, those you know considering a move that we help, you can be rest assured that not only will they get the award-winning service we are known for and the guarantee to back it up, but that a solid portion of the income we receive from the transaction will go towards a very worthy cause. Thanks again and enjoy Homeward Bound.